Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adding upcoming events to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through your WordPress dashboard and quickly create a timeline that displays upcoming events. We will begin by accessing your WordPress site and continue with the process of logging in so that you can edit your site effortlessly. Begin by opening your web browser and going directly to WordPress. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login link will take you to the sign in area, where the authentication process for your account starts. When prompted to log in, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. This method streamlines the sign-in process by allowing you to authenticate using your Google account. Select this option and choose the account you wish to use. This seamless connection makes it simple and secure to access your WordPress dashboard without entering lengthy passwords. After you have successfully logged in, the next step is to go to the quick links section. Here you need to locate and click on the Edit Site option. This action takes you to the site editor where you will be able to make the necessary changes to add your upcoming events. Once you have entered the site editor, you will see a more advanced interface that allows you to customize various parts of your website with ease. Now you are ready to insert a new component into your site. In the site editor, look toward the top left corner of the page where you will see a plus icon. Clicking this icon brings up a list of elements that you can add to your page. Understanding that this interface is designed to simplify dynamic content creation, you are now prepared for the next step in the process. In the element search field that appears after clicking the plus icon, type in the word timeline. By entering this keyword, you are looking for a specialized component designed to display event details in a chronological format. When you see the timeline component appear in the list of available elements, simply click on it. Adding this component to your website will provide you with a visual framework for displaying your upcoming events in an organized and user-friendly manner. After inserting the timeline component, the final step is to add an entry for your event, thereby setting it as an upcoming event. In this step, you should provide all the necessary details such as the event title, the date it will occur, and any additional information that will help your visitors understand what to expect. This entry is what makes your timeline dynamic and ensures that the upcoming event is properly flagged and visible to anyone visiting your site. This concludes the tutorial on adding an upcoming event to your WordPress site. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you have successfully navigated through your WordPress dashboard, integrated a timeline component, and set an event to appear to your audience. Enjoy the improved functionality of your website and feel free to return to these instructions anytime you wish to update your upcoming events.